Buster. Buster, you better stay away from there. Earl ain't playing. Are you, Earl? Earl. Did you bite Buster? Did that hurt your feelings, Buster? Buster, did that hurt your feelings? Earl, you hurt Buster's feelings trying to bite him. I know. That wasn't very nice, was it, Buster? He just wanted to get up on your lawn and visit you. What's the problem with that? Earl, why can't he just get up there and visit you and be your friend? Huh? Would you like to share with everyone what happened? Huh? Oh, we need to take this down, don't we? Buster, what happened today? Were you violated? Say, I'm okay. I wasn't hurt. He must have just pinched him. So Mama was on the phone dealing with some insurance stuff and paying a couple bills. Excuse me. And all of a sudden, I hear Buster yelp and jump down. And I didn't realize he was up on Earl's lawn, Barbie Dream House, right? What'd you say earlier when I asked you why you did that? What'd you say about it? You said, jerk. But I'm not the jerk. You're the one that pinched him for being on your lawn. I got a good idea. Earl, listen. Look, I have a good idea. We're going to get a no trespassing sign. Okay? Okay? Earl. Hey, I'm talking to you. Do you want to get a no trespassing sign for Buster? Is that a good idea? Is that a good idea? You be a good boy now, Buster? You stay off Earl's lawn, okay? He ain't playing. That's right. He don't play. And pick up your raspberry, please. That wasn't very nice, was it? It was so funny. I don't think so.